Hi, welcome to our wonderful video where I'm going to show you some very important updates about this Birla Aerocon wall. Most of the FAQs, frequently asked questions which I come across, are all based on kind of these technicalities like the load bearing, tank position, and all that is there. So this is going to be a 2 or 3 minutes video, and I'll try to explain you as good as and as what I can be able to help you out with the queries. The first thing was, you can see this whole slab which we have put, the 2-inch slab. It has been covered with all this cement plastered this thing, and it was done curing properly, but still some curing was supposed to be done so that these cracks and all could have been avoided. So now you can see the whole building slab is looking like a normal slab building only. The other slabs what you can see like this only. That is the first point. And the second point is whether people will ask whether can we place 2000 3000 liters tanks and all. Not that type of queries they will ask it. So this is an empty tank. This is an empty tank, and this is a small 1000 liters tank which is filled, and this is a 2000 liters tank you can see here. So these two 2000 plus 1000 tanks plus one more 1000 tank will come up. So these tanks are placed on this slab, you can see. So that itself shows the whether the load bearing and all that factors will be answered. And another thing was, beneath this where we have placed this tank, we have done additional column weldings, beams weldings, additional supports we have provided, so that in future in case of any additional load and all that, for that purpose we have provided. Ideally this would have been sufficient, but still we have provided the more support for the water tanks. The water tanks part is over. Now you can see this one Parapet wall we have done with the 2-inch Aerocon wall only. We have given support like this, and up to 3 feet we have done. So another 4 to 6 inches has gone in the flooring and all that. So it is around 2 feet 6 inches like that. That part is also over, and slope is also being provided very good. I actually came, it was raining, so that someone was asked, you please show us during the rain like that, but it was only drizzling, so I could have shown you the water flow, how it will happen and all that. So that is also done. Next, these columns what you are seeing is, you can see here, we have given this further provision in case client has requested, in case if they wanted to update one more floor or some partial structure on this floor, it can be done, something like that. For that purpose we have given. So technically strength wise care has been taken, so that in future also additional any floors we can set up like that we have taken. And that part is over. Then a lot of pipings and all, people used to ask, the plumbing pipings and all, that is as usual is done. You can see here from this 2-inch wall only. All this, somebody who can understand these technicalities, it is easy for them, and but for a layman it will be very difficult to, we have to explain it again from the scratch type only. Okay, so this part is done. Now you can see here there was no headroom, so headroom also we have done with the, here you can see this, earlier it was there as a parapet wall, 2-inch wall is there. This is the existing, that wall is the existing headroom which was there for the existing staircase. So this staircase we have extended to the old this thing, and also we have given the staircase with the MS structure, and also we have used 8-inch fiber cement board for the roof and for these side walls, and also for the steps landing and all. And you can see this fiber cement board is also one of the good material which we can actually use it for a lot of purposes. You can see this one, it's a this headroom. All this was customized as per the client's requirement. None of the things we have taken decisions, this extension and the materials and all was proposed by us and was accepted by the client. You can see here, this is the joint where this is the existing old staircase to which we have covered because it was an asbestos sheet. So client wanted us to cover with this Aerocon. This thing you can see that HIL Birla Aerocon. This is a termite proof, fire resistant, sound resistant and impact resistant, and this is a 18 board. No asbestos is there in this one. It's a 4 by 8 board. We have cut and we have put it into pieces, and now here the waterproofing is not done. Once the waterproofing is done, we'll update you about the since the waterproofing is not done, you have a leakage from the joints here. We have to apply that chemical and all that, and I can show you this on second floor building. And this is a very popular area in Hyderabad. You can see that buildings and all, Deloitte building and all that you can see. So basically behind this Cyberabad Police Commissionerate building, and more one more factor is here that even then also we have applied